Alright, so I'm going to do the Module 7 and Module 8 origin, or oral assessment videos all in one video. So let's start with Module 7. So define the radius of a circle. The radius of a circle is the distance from the origin of the circle to the edge of the circle, in the circle itself. Number 2, define the diameter of a circle. Diameter is a line going from one edge of the circle to the other, passing through the origin. Define concentric circles. Concentric circles are circles that share an origin point. Find the circumference of a circle with diameter 5 centimeters. So 5 centimeters to find. Alright, diameter, so the circumference of a circle is just pi times the diameter, so 5. So I'll do it on my calculator here. So that's pi times 5 is 15.7. About 15.7. Right? Circumference of a circle with diameter 5 is about 15.7. Find the area of a circle with diameter 8. So the formula to find the area of a circle is pi r squared, or pi radius squared, and radius is half the diameter, so it would just be pi 4 squared, which is, calculated here, pi 4 squared is 50.3, about. So that's the area of a circle with diameter of 8, 50.3. Now, give the equation of a circle. Oh, what is the coordinate of the center and the radius? So the center would be, since the equation for a circle is x minus x1, or, yeah, x1 I guess. So that would be the point plus y minus y1 squared. These are both squared. So, yeah, equals radius squared. So that would make the center of this circle 4, negative 2. The center of the circle is point 4, negative 2. And the radius would be 5, because square root of 25 is 5. Alright, so problem 7, what is the relationship of the measure of a central angle to its intercepted arc? The relationship of a central angle to its intercepted arc are exactly the same. Because if it's a central angle coming out, the angle measure is going to be exactly how much the arc it is. Alright, so a semicircle is an arc that's half a circle, so 180 degrees. An arc measuring 180 degrees. So what is the relationship of the measure of an inscribed angle to its intercepted arc? That would be inscribed angle to its intercepted arc. So the inscribed angle would be 1/2 of the intercepted arc. Because, yeah, it would measure half. I don't know. So alright, I'm going to move on to Module 8. Alright, so given parallelogram DEFG, if the measure of angle D is 57 degrees, find the measure of angle E. So in a parallelogram, the adjacent angles are complementary, meaning they'll add up to 180 degrees. So to find that, just 180 minus 57 is 180 minus 57 will be 123. So measure of angle E would be 123. So number 2, given rectangle WXYZ, if WX equals 10y minus 4 and YZ equals 13 minus 7, find the value of Y. Alright, so it's a rectangle, then the opposite sides are going to be the same, they're going to be congruent. So I can just do these. So say, put it down here, 13y minus 7 equals 10y minus 4. So we'll subtract 10y from both sides, leaving you with 3y minus 7 equals minus 4. So then we'll add 7 to both sides. 3, so y equals 3, divide both sides by 3. Y equals 1. So y equals 1. For problem number 3, find the measure of each interior angle of a regular heptagon. So the interior angles of a heptagon add up to 1080, I believe. Let me think for a second. No, they add up to 900. Yeah. So 900 divided by 7 is how you would get that. So 900 divided by 7 equals 128.6. So each interior angle of a regular heptagon is 128.6. So find the area of a kite with diagonals 18 feet and 7 feet. So to find the area of a kite, you just multiply the diagonals. And so 18 times 7 is 126. 26 feet squared. What is the circumference of a circle with an area of 49 pi square inches? So circumference would be, so I'm going to be honest, I've got no idea how to do that with pi, so I'm going to move to number 6. So 0.13 is reflected over the y-axis. What are the coordinates of the image? So if it's reflected over the y-axis, only the x-coordinate would change, so it would be -1, 3. -3. Alright. So last question here. An equilateral triangle has rotational symmetry. What is the angle of rotation? So to do that, it's got 3 points, just divide 360 by 3. 360 divided by 3 is 120, so angle of rotation is 120 degrees. And that's all. So I'm done.